My name is Ashutosh. Today's video topic is Introduction of Java. Java is a class-based, object-oriented programming language. This is designed to have a few implementation dependency as possible. It is intended to let application developers write once and run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. Java first released in 1995 and widely used for developing application for desktop, web and mobile device. Java known as simplicity, robust and security features, making it its popular choice enterprise level application. Java was developed by James Gosling and Sun Microsystem in the year 1995 and later acquired by Oracle Corporation. It is a simple programming language. Java make writing, compiling and debugging programming easy. It helps to create reusable code and modular program. Java is a class-based, object-oriented programming language and, and is designed to have a few implementation dependency as possible in general purpose. Programming language made for developer to write one and run anywhere, that is compiled Java code can run on all platform that support Java. Java applications are compiled to bytecode and can run on any Java virtual machine. The syntax of Java is similar to C and C++. Implementation of Java application program involve following steps. They include: first one is creating the program, second is compiling the program, and third is running the program. Java terminology. Java virtual machine. This is generally referred as JVM. There are three execution phases of program. They are write, compile, and run the program. Second one is a bytecode into development process. As I discussed, the Java C compile of JDK compile the Java source code into bytecode so that it can be executed by JVM. It is a save as class file by compiling the view of the bytecode. Assemble like Java can be used. Third is one is Java development kit, that is called JDK. While we are using the term of JDK when we learn about the bytecode and JVM. So as the name suggests, it is a completed Java development kit that includes everything, include compiler, Java runtime environment, Java debuggers and etc. For the program to execute in Java, we need to install JDK on our computer in order to create, compile and run the Java program. Fourth one is Java runtime environment. JDK includes JRE. JRE installation on our computers allow the Java program to run. However, we cannot compile it. JRE include a browser, JVM, applet support and plugins for running the Java program. Computer needs JRE. Fifth one is garbage collector. In Java, program cannot delete the object. To delete or recollect that memory, JVM has been program called garbage collector. Garbage collectors can recollect the objects that are not referenced. Sixth one is class path. The class path is the file path where the JVM runtime and Java compile look for class file to load. By default, JDK provides many libraries. If you want to include external libraries, they should be added to the class path. This is all about the introduction of Java. Thank you.